Hi guys, so I just want to quickly show you guys the things that I got. I got hair products. Another thing that makes me really happy in this life is natural hair products. So I went a little, just a little overboard, you know. I can't remember the last time I bought hair products like this for myself. I cannot remember, but anyway, even though as I'm buying it, I'm like, God, I have responsibility, I have things to do. But let me just buy this thing because I need them, right? So let me show you guys. So this coconut oil, I buy it almost all the time. I usually buy like the Mama, can you stop saying that? You are distracting my video. Please let me carry that girl away. So this particular coconut oil I've been using it for so long. Since I gave it to Ife, I've been using this coconut oil. It's so good. It's cold pressed. And today I decided to buy a bigger size. I usually buy like the medium size, but today I just went because going to markets, going shopping with children is a lot. So as much as possible, I'm trying to avoid it. So when I have the opportunity, I go in. So I got this Tresemme what's it called? Silky Smooth conditioner. I used their what's it called? I used their shampoo, and I don't want to say the word I'm not supposed to say, but this shampoo, their shampoo is the real thing. Don't hit the camera no matter what. Their shampoo is the real deal. Like, it's so good. So I know that this conditioner is going to be so good. I've not gotten any conditioner from them before. So instead of buying leave-in conditioner, I just decided to go with this because their silky smooth shampoo actually made my hair silky smooth. And I am like a type 4C, I think. I don't know, but this is it. Conditioner. And this is their shampoo. This is what I was using, and it's still considerably not so expensive as the last time. Last time I bought this was like, okay, this used to be 2,500 or so, but it's now 3,500. I cannot remember the price I bought most of the items, but I'm going to show you. Maybe just post it I'm going to put it on the screen as I'm sharing the this with you. This is the shampoo for the kids. I bought this one with elephants because my girl is an elephant person. See elephants. What's this? What's this? Elephant. E for? E for? Anyway, I bought this marshmallow body wash initially for the kids, but I'm seeing now that it's not really for kids. I don't know if I can use it for Ife. But I saw marshmallow and I'm like, will adults be using marshmallow? So I just assumed it was for kids and I was rushing. Can you imagine? I'm going to find time and buy something. Then I got this black Jamaican castor oil. That is a holy grail for natural hair. If you are a natural hair person and you watch my videos, I share all my natural hair secrets on here with you guys. This is one of them. If you're asking me, what is the secret for your hair growth? This is one of them. Black Jamaican castor oil. Though I usually use the regular castor oil from the chemist, but I mean, this one is good. This one is good. If you have the cash, go for this. Then the baba of them all, this Moroccan argan growth oil. This oil, oh God, I bought it like 7,000 plus. I cannot forget how much. Mama, stop it. I cannot forget how much I bought this particular oil because when I was buying it, picking it, my chest was doing me jiggy. 7,000 naira for oil in this economy. But then anyway, this is the reason why I didn't buy the usual plain castor oil that I buy from the chemist. So this, and I bought it also because of this bottle. I've been looking for a bottle like this that I can just be putting oil in my hair. Like, it's so stressful using your hand. You're dealing with oil, it's dripping off and all of that. So with this, you just, and I'm excited. So I use it. What I use for my hair is what I use for my girls. The only difference is they don't use the same shampoo as I. But as far as oils, the same thing. Then this Kano soap, I bought it because J Booms advertised it. Let me put it like this so you guys can see. Nice cars. Nice.
You know what now?
Shea butter.
You will not balance.
So that's it, guys. I bought other things, of course. You'd have seen it in the cart, but then I can't show you guys everything I bought. Like, say, okay, I bought this one. This Kano This Kano, this is inside this bag. Let me just show you. This Kano, this is what I use on my face. If I have like rashes on my face. The main YouTuber. Whenever I have rashes. Whenever I have rashes on. So whenever I have rashes on my face, this is what I go for. Shh. When it's time to say goodbye, I'll tell you, okay? So for now, shh, keep quiet. So that's the guy for this particular video. Shush! Are you going to be in this video? Abi, you go. I'll send you out. So that's it for this particular video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please, I noticed that the vlogs I've been posting, I'm not be saying subscribe. Because subscribe to my channel, okay? If you're new here, if you're seeing my channel for the first time, if you enjoyed my content at any point, please subscribe to my channel and join my growing family. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, now you can say bye. Bye.